हमारे शानदार बैंक एचडीएफसी और जिन्होंने साथ दिया था मोहिनी फाउंडेशन जयपुर, इन दोनों को मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, उनका आभार प्रकट करता हूं। आई हैव नो वर्ड्स, क्योंकि जो इन्होंने किया हमने एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था कि हमारे स्कूल के लिए एक ऐसा मौका आएगा जब वो बच्चों को इस इंटरेक्टिव बोर्ड पे पढ़ा पाएंगे। वंस अगेन अ ह्यूज थैंक टू द एचडीएफसी बैंक इन कोलैबोरेशन विद मोहिनी फाउंडेशन जयपुर। थैंक यू सो मच।
And we are dealing with robotic labs. Robotic activities are motions and is electricity based and magnetic. Everything is based on motion. Robotics is a modern science having practical knowledge about the science. About the science means we are dealing with science in daily routine. We have science class and every class have activity and every activity is based on working models. So we are dealing with robotic lab. Yes, every activity in robotic lab is modern, AI based or Bluetooth based. We have working models. We have working models, 12 type of models: crane, motor, jeep, road roller, solar system, and many other activities regarding magnetic and electricity based. Everything is done in our class, and this is our class. We can see practically, then prepare it for your science fair. Yes. Look at screen. Measurement is must in every activity. We are dealing with robotic. Robotic means measurement of mass. यहाँ आपको जो भी एक्टिविटी करनी है उसमें अपने को क्या ध्यान रखना है कि हम मेजर क्या कर रहे हैं। रोबोटिक लैब में अपने कनेक्शंस मेन होते हैं और दूसरी चीज है कि वहाँ पर आपने किस सिस्टम को, किस सर्किट को कहाँ बनाया है। अगर सर्किट का एक भी स्क्रू गलत हो जाता है तो सर्किट कंप्लीट नहीं होता। फिर हमें वर्किंग मॉडल चाहिए, तो वर्किंग मॉडल चाहिए तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके कटआउट्स हैं उनको हम जोड़ सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं। जोड़कर बनाते समय हमें देखते हैं कि हम किस तरीके से इसको बना रहे हैं, किस तरीके से देखते हैं। ये आपके पास लिविंग है ना, लाइव दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे। अपने पास बॉक्स में है सारा सामान, उसमें 1 2 3 4 5 सिस्टम्स होते हैं। उसमें अपने कैलकुलेट करते जाएंगे, स्टेप 1 स्टेप 2 स्टेप 3 स्टेप 4, एंड आफ्टर दिस वी कनेक्ट द ब्लूटूथ and working model is ready.
Yes, sir. How are you all? So today we are in digital room and today our topic is states of matter. Any one of you can explain what is the meaning of different states of matter? Any one of you? I'll tell you. For an example, we are having a water. When we freeze it, it will change into which state? Ice. And when we give heat to the water, it will convert into which state? Now, on the board, we can see a container, a tumbler, in which we are having the molecules, atoms of neon. You can see the neon particles. They are moving here and there, and we are having what? There is a heat parameter, that is heat and cool. By this we can increase the temperature of this container and we can decrease the temperature as well. So anyone of you can come to the board and can change the state of matter. Archana, you come. How can you change the state of matter?
By increasing the heat, the force of attraction, particle with the force of attraction.
Can you demonstrate us?
Yes.
How can we change the state of matter? Slowly.
By increasing heat.
Yes. Archana is going to demonstrate us that how can we change the different states of matter. we are having a tumbler in which we are having so many atoms of the neon. We can see the water, yes. Now you can see the different they are congested, the space between them becomes less and they converted into which state? Yes.
If we start from this one,